Okay guys, so we're going to take a little look at the boomerang now. So the boomerang is a very challenging exercise, and it's the longest piece of choreography in the whole mat work sequence. It's definitely something that you would keep too close to the end of your Pilates journey. So it's not something that you would do if you're only starting your Pilates journey. You need to make sure that you're good in relation to the rollover, the teaser, and the double leg stretch as well, opening up the chest. So I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll break it down just to make it a little bit more easy to understand. So we start with the legs straight, and we're going to cross the right on top of the left to start. So there's a flow to this exercise. Some of it is slower and some of it is a little bit quicker as well. So we're challenging different muscles in the body as we do this. So we do use the support of our hands to start. And what we want to do is roll ourselves back, take the legs overhead, and then from this position, it's a quick switch of the feet. We're going to come all the way back down, nice and controlled. As the legs reach down, we're going to reach ourselves up as if we're in our teaser. We're going to take our hands behind our back, slowly bring the head down as the legs reach the mat to come into a stretch. And then we release, and we can even pull ourselves a little bit deeper into the stretch. And then we would change, and we would do it on the opposite side. So we'll break it down for you now so that you can understand the movements just a little bit better. Okay guys, so there isn't much that we can do to modify this exercise. The only thing really is if maybe they have tight hamstrings, that we would keep a little bend in the legs as they do the exercise. But again, because it is an advanced Mat Pilates exercise, it shouldn't be done until they have mastered some of the earlier exercises anyway, and they've built that strength, stability and flexibility in their body, and then they can start introducing the boomerang into their practice. But if you do have any questions, guys, please feel free to reach out.